Hello everyone. Welcome to our English lesson today. My name is Emma. I am very happy to see you here. Today, you will learn how to talk about your day in English. We will use easy words and simple sentences.
Hello, Emma, and hello, everyone. My name is Daniel. Thank you for watching this video. Do not worry if your English is not very good. We will speak slowly and clearly. You can listen and repeat after us. Learning English is very important.
So relax, listen carefully, and speak with us. Let's start learning English together. Hello, Daniel. Good morning. How are you today? I am happy to see you. Today is a new day, and I feel good.
Hello, Emma. Good morning to you too. I am fine, thank you. I am ready to talk and practice English with you.
That is great, Daniel. Today, let's talk about our day. We will use simple English.
Yes, Emma. Talking about our day is very important. It helps us practice English every day.
Daniel, let me tell you about my morning. I wake up early every day. I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I eat breakfast at home.
That sounds good, Emma. In the morning, I also wake up early. I make my bed and take a shower. Then I eat bread and drink tea.
Oh, that is nice. After breakfast, I feel ready for the day. My morning is usually calm and quiet.
Yes, I feel the same way. A good morning makes the day better. It helps me feel happy and active.
Daniel, after my morning, I go to work. I leave my house at 8 o'clock. I take a bus to work every day. At work, I sit at my desk and use my computer. I talk to my coworkers and do my tasks slowly.
That is nice, Emma. After breakfast, I go to school. I walk to school because it is close to my house. In school, I listen to my teacher very carefully. I read simple English words and write in my notebook.
That sounds good, Daniel. At work, I also take a short break. I drink water and talk with my friends. Then I go back to work and finish my tasks.
Yes, breaks are important. At school, I have a break too. I talk with my classmates and smile a lot. After the break, I go back to class and study again.
Daniel, in the afternoon, I eat lunch. I usually eat rice and vegetables. After lunch, I feel a little tired. I take a short rest at my desk. Then I continue my work slowly and carefully.
That sounds normal, Emma. In the afternoon, I also eat lunch at school. I eat with my friends in the lunchroom. After eating, I drink water and relax. Then I go back to class and listen to the teacher.
In the afternoon, I check my emails. I answer simple messages from my coworkers. Sometimes I have a small meeting. I listen and speak a little in the meeting. The afternoon is usually busy for me.
For me, the afternoon is calm. I study English and other subjects. I read, write, and listen very carefully. When school ends, I feel happy. I know I can go home and rest.
Daniel, in the evening, I go home from work. I feel tired, but I feel happy too. When I get home, I take off my shoes and sit down. I eat dinner with my family. We talk about our day and laugh together.
That sounds very nice, Emma. In the evening, I also go home. I wash my hands and change my clothes. Then I eat dinner with my family. We sit together and talk about school and work.
After dinner, I relax. I watch TV or listen to music. Sometimes I read a simple book. I like quiet evenings at home. They help me feel calm and peaceful.
I like quiet evenings too. After dinner, I do my homework. Then I watch TV for a short time. I talk with my family and smile a lot. The evening is my favorite time.
Daniel, at night, I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I change into my night clothes. I think about my day and feel thankful. Then I go to bed and rest my body.
That is nice, Emma. At night, I also get ready to sleep. I turn off the lights and my phone. I lie in bed and think about my day. I feel calm and ready to sleep.
Every day is different, but that is okay. Talking about our day helps us learn English. You can talk about your day little by little. Practice every day and do not be afraid. You are doing great.
Yes, you are doing very well. Thank you for learning English with us today. If you like this conversation, please like this video. Subscribe to our channel for more English practice. Now, tell us in the comments, how is your day? What do you do in the morning, afternoon, or evening?